Welcome back, my name is Arandelos, and this is continuation of me creating the Next.js web application for my side project, the programming language. This time I have a plan. I want to change the icons that I added before because I don't really like them. I want to change them to hero icons, but still leave the bootstrap icons that I placed here for the brands. This is the first part that I'll be doing right now. And the second part is I want to add some animations because right now it looks kind of horrible. And this is how I fixed it. I just replaced the React icons bootstrap with hero icons version 2. And then I added my icons and then I replaced them. And there's the tricky part with the outline icons. So I added to change the stroke to 2 in this case, and here I changed it to be 2.5. So this is how it looks right now. It looks much nicer with these icons. And also the thickness of the stroke here, of the outline, is really good. Now I really like how it looks. The problem though is that if I refresh the page, there's an error, and this error coming from this issue, as you can see. So the problem is that in 5.1 version there's an error that is thrown into console, and the way to fix it is to roll back the React icons that I have here to version 5.0. So let's just go ahead and uninstall the React icons. To install version 5.0 and up, I had to use the tilde operator. And now if I refresh the page, there is no error and all the icons are still there and looking nice. And now the transitions. For transitions, I will be using the React transition group. So talking about the animation, I have already a menu component, right? So I think I can just insert the animation somewhere in here and have a control statement here where I control how the animation goes in and goes out for the menu items. To make my life easier, I installed the Tailwind CSS Animate plugin, and then I will include it here in Tailwind config, like this. I finally implemented the transition for the logo part, so when you click on developers, on the submenu, it changes to the submenu, but also it has a transition for the top left part. But if you can see, sometimes it is flickering for some reason. You can see that back button is flickering somehow. I'm not sure why this is happening, so I spent like 2 hours right now to find the reason. That was a lot of time and probably was not worth it, but yeah, I did not find the reason why it is flickering sometimes. And I tried blocking the back button when the animation is going, and it didn't work really. Yeah, so I'm not sure what's wrong with it. I will take some time later to understand the reason and fix it. And the way I set it up is really simple. I have a CSS transition here and here, and both of these, they fire depending on if the active menu is equal main or not equal main in case of the back button. And then I have references for each of the elements here, and also mount on enter property on the back button, so it is not mounted by default. And then the class names here for the transition, I can scroll up and show you. This is the class names for the back button, and these are the class names for the logo. They are different because logo slides from left to right and back button is from right to left. Yes, and also I set up the references here and imported CSS transition from React transition group. Overall, I spent a lot of time on this transition trying to understand it. I don't think I ever done any transitions in React. I did transitions in Vue.js, but in Vue.js it was fairly simple to set up the transitions because it is natively supported by the Vue itself. The way it flickers is really so annoying. Okay, so let's just finish by submitting the changes. By pushing the changes, I mean, it was day 6. Yeah, and this is it. Thank you for watching and have a good day.